If you are looking to learn how to delete a Git branch, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will cover how to delete a local branch and how to delete a remote branch. First, we'll go over how to delete a local branch in Git. But before we do that, it is important to note that you cannot delete a local branch if you have it checked out. For deleting a local branch in Git, we will utilize the Git Branch command. Next, we'll pass in the D flag, which will tell Git Branch you want to delete. Finally, you'll pass in the name of the branch you wish to delete. If you aren't using a rocking Git GUI, or you're like me and have the memory of a goldfish, you can always just run Git Branch to get a list of all your local branches. But what if you want to delete a local branch that contains unmerged changes? You'll need to run Git Branch D, followed by the branch name. This tells Git you are really serious about deleting this branch. Use the D flag with care, as this can make losing data very easy. Now you might be saying, that's great and all, but whenever I run Git Branch D on a remote branch, Git complains the branch is not found. How do I delete a remote branch? That's right. Deleting a remote branch in Git works a little bit differently. To delete a remote branch, we will not be using the Git Branch command. Instead, we'll be using Git Push. Tell Git which remote repository you want to work with and add the delete flag, followed by the branch name. If you're not sure what the exact name of your remote branch is, you can always run Git Branch R to get a list of all of your remote branches. For all of you GitKraken users out there that want to delete a branch, you can simply right-click the branch name in the left panel or in the graph and select the delete option. GitKraken will then prompt you to verify you want to continue with the deletion. In the case you make an oopsie whoopsie and delete a local branch you did not mean to, you can always utilize the undo button in the toolbar, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Z for Windows and Linux, or Command-Z for Mac. And that's it! If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel or watch some of our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.